Alright everybody, we're in Wickenburg today, going on another off-road trip, and this is Constellation Road, and this road should lead to Blue Tank Ranch, or Blue Tank Ranch Road. I forgot the exact name, but it comes up shortly on the left here, and then it takes you through the wash, the Blue Tank Wash. So I've been there once before, but it's been about 3 years since I've taken the road in another vehicle with someone else driving. So this is my first time driving down this road, and we will check back and see how this trip goes up Blue Tank Wash in Wickenburg, Arizona. Rincon Road right here. That's the only stop sign on this road. So we're gonna make a right and head up the mountain and see if we can't get to the overlook on Box Canyon here. Actually goes to a paved road.
Someone's property.
Yeah, there's all ranches along this road.